Yes, we're in Nice, the top of Cymla. I've been here now, 33 years, originally from Aberystwyth. Moved down, got a job here as a teacher and a deputy and then a head. Here's Dad and Mum. And Mum's 80th birthday, I think, and then Dad when they were younger. Even though my father was Professor Welsh, he came from a completely English-speaking background. He learned Welsh himself. He was from Cardiff. For me, and I think it was true for Dad and Mum, the language was more important than independence, even though we were for independence, you know. I come from a Welsh nationalist family, Plaid Cymru. My mother in the 50s, she had Jenny Eira, and she was the manager of Jenny Eira, and when she was fighting for Plaid Cymru, I remember sitting on Gwynfor Evans' lap in the King's Hall. I must have been 3 or 4 or 5. I was contacted by Gwlad saying that one of the people that was supposed to go to the programme couldn't go. So I was glad I did go, because otherwise nothing would have been said about Gwlad in the programme, because you had 6 politicians there, 5 of them British politicians from British parties, Labour, you know, Conservative, Labour, and you had 1 Welsh party, which was Plaid Cymru. So it was nice for Gwlad to have a little say, even if it was only 55 seconds. My understanding is that in the whole of this election festival, I think Gwlad has only had 55 seconds. That's me. So if that's cause a so be it, because it's not right that we are now in election, you know, election in May the 7th, and the only person I've heard of saying anything about Gwlad issues is myself, and 55 seconds I think is really not good enough.